Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A4 B7 wiper blades. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades. For most Audi A4 B7 models, both front blades are 22 inches long. Always turn your vehicle completely off before starting. Then, pull down on the wiper lever to move the wiper arms into their upright service position, which prevents them from snapping back onto the windshield. With the wiper arm in the service position, gently pull it away from the windshield until it locks into place. Next, you'll need to detach the old blade. Look for a small retaining clip or tab where the blade meets the arm. Press this clip, often with the help of a flat screwdriver if it's stiff, and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. Now it's time to install your new wiper blades. Take one new blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm, making sure both new blades are properly seated. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Turn your vehicle on and briefly activate the wipers to ensure they operate correctly. Check for smooth, streak-free wiping across the entire windshield. If the wipers don't return to their parked position, cycle the wiper lever up and down. Remember to replace both front wiper blades at the same time for optimal performance and clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.